because of your unfailing love. Yeah. My bones are shaking out the furnace. The pressure of the world weigh heavy on my chest. Depression muscle ache from the labor. I am weary from the groan and the stress. How long must the son of the stress? How long must the son of man wait? Searching for the path to the ticket. Searching for the path to the ticket. Babylon was high and the gates are locked, but the spirit never stay quiet. I call out from the deep of the well, knowing you can break every chain and spell. Break every chain. Oh yeah. Break every chain. The road is long and the mountain is steep. I find no rest when the world is asleep. Turn, Lord, and deliver me. Save me, oh, because of your unfailing love. Oh, save me. Turn, Lord, and deliver me. Save me because of your unfailing love. Yeah. My bed is soaked with the salt of my tears, washing the dust from the years of the struggle. Vision getting blurry from the grief, looking at the enemies gathering the rubble. They wanna see the righteous fall, they wanna see the fire turn to ash. But the word is a lamp and a shield, stronger than the iron and the lash. Go back all you workers of the dark, the creator hear the sound of the spark. The petition reached the high place, mercy flowing down like a river of grace. Turn, Lord, and deliver me. Save me, oh, because of your unfailing love. Oh, save me. Turn, Lord, and deliver me. Save me because of your unfailing love. Yeah. Deliver me from the grip of the grave. Only the power of the love can save. Deliver me. Lift my head out of the valley. Into the light of the morning. Unfailing love. Yeah. Roots and mercy.